Hey, what's up, guys? I am in the shop finishing up a project, but I wanted to hop on here and kind of give you some progress on what's going on. So I'm making a bed for my 4-year-old, and the reason I'm going handheld today is because I want to show you down here and show you some things. So over here on the floor, I've got what are the ends, and I've put in some dials just for design or just the look. So they're just kind of, they got a little bit of gap in it, but I'm not really worried about it because when you get back here, it's not really visible. And plus there's going to be, bedding and that kind of thing. But I'm in the process of putting a finish on this. These are going to be the long sides, and this is plywood, but as you can see, it's got some character in it, and it's got knots in a couple of places. So I'm hoping it turns out pretty good. All it is just those 4 pieces. This is probably not necessary. If you'll notice, like on the back side of this one, I've got a cleat that runs the full length of all of these pieces. So the piece of plywood, which is this, is going to sit on top of that cleat. And these 2 end pieces are going to be on the outside, and it's got the PureBond, the ply look. I haven't added finish to this, but when I add finish to that, it should look pretty good. So just a little update. I just wanted to kind of catch you guys up and let you know what I was up to. That should be ready by next week, sometime Tuesday, I guess. So yeah, stick around for that, and I'll see you later.